I'm Suzannah from Amore Beauty London. I'm here in the Lash Artistry headquarters and I'm going to be showing you how I create my wispy hybrid sets. So these are all the tools that I use when I am creating a wispy hybrid set. I use the easy fans in diameter 0.05 cc cal. I use the Royal Mink lashes. These are the classic lashes in a cc cal 0.015. These are the tweezers that I use. It's very easy for me to pick up the lashes with these tweezers and isolate. I also use this tape to wrap around my finger. This helps me get a good grip when I am creating the easy fans. And I use Quickie because the curing time only takes 1 second. And this is the mirror that I use to check my steps between lashing. So the key to picking up easy fans is picking up from mid to low range and pulling the lash towards you. Holding it tight so you don't lose grip of it. And I like to pinch it as if they are volume lashes. You want to release slightly to let them lashes open up. And when you are happy with the base, you let go. So I have found a little hack where I actually wrap a bit of tape around my finger, and I find that this helps me when I am pinching. So I am now adding in my classic lash. I like to fill out the inner and outer corners first, and then I start to build my set. You want to make sure your direction is directly on top of that lash so that your lash set will be directing directly up. Alright guys, now I put all my classics in, it's now time to add in our fans. When it comes to the length difference in my fans and my spikes, it is a 3mm difference. And that is so that your spikes stand out. Okay guys, I'm now finished my set. I used lengths 10 to 12 for the fans, and I used 12 to 15 for the spikes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Follow me at amorbeautyldn on Instagram.